I'm going to show you how to create a group or community in Roblox. So to get started, you have to open your Roblox account first and then sign in into your account to edit or to make a group in Roblox. So from here, you just have to click on three dash right above here and then click on communities, since they rename the group name into community. So you have to create a community or a group. And so from here, you will be redirected to the next page where you can see that there's a create community, or you can search communities if you want to join any existing communities or group, or if you want to create a group or communities, just click on the create community right here. And then once you click on that, you will be redirected again to a next page. And then from here, you just have to type in your group name and then your description for your group. And once you're done with that, you can also, after that, you can add a photo or group photo or community. Just you need to drag your image here, or you can click on select an image from your computer. And when you scroll down, you will see the settings. You can either anyone can join, or you can click on manual approval. So from here, you need also 100 Robux to create a community. So make sure that you have a balance to create a group or community. So after that, that's it. You can now create a group or community in Roblox.